So in this question, the question says in an arithmetic sequence, the sixth term is 39. In the same arithmetic sequence, the 19th term is 7.8. Work out the sum of first 25 terms in the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so first of all, we know that the formula for Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's substitute the values. Okay, so here first of all, I'm going to substitute the value for sixth term. A sixth term is equals to 39, that is equals to a plus 5d. Okay, and when we talk about the 19th term, okay, it is 7.8, that is a plus 18d. Right, so here we got the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now we have to substitute the equation 1 into 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the value for a from the first equation. So the value for a I get is 39 minus 5d, which I'm going to substitute in the second equation. So 7.8 is equals to, substituting the value for a, 39 minus 5d plus 18d. On calculating this, okay, I'll get the value as 7.8 minus 39, and 5 minus 18 is 13d. On calculating this, okay, minus 31 upon 30d, and the value for d is minus 31.2 divided with 13. So the value we get is minus 2.4. So we got the difference over here. Okay, as we got the difference, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the value for a. Okay, I have taken the value for a, that is 39 minus 5d. Okay, and I will substitute the value for d in order to get the value for a. 39 minus 5 into minus 2.4, and I get it as 39 plus 12, and the value is 51. So I got my a, the first term, and the common difference as the value. Now in order to find the sum of 25 terms, first 25 terms, the formula is Sn is equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now let's substitute the value. 25 upon 2 into 51 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 2.4, 24 into minus 2.4, I'll get minus 57.6. Okay, and the final answer on calculating this is 555. So the S25, the sum of first 25 terms is Sn is 555. Here's another question, question number 2. Here are the first 5 terms for the arithmetic sequence 8, 15, 22, 29 and 36. Work out the sum of the terms of 50th term to 100th term inclusive. Okay. So here we got the value for the first term. Okay, and then we can also calculate the common difference of the sequence. Okay, that is positive 7. On calculating a2 minus a1, I will get 15 minus 8, that is 7, and this is the difference. Okay, now moving further, so I got my a as 8 and the difference as 7. Okay, now first of all I'm going to calculate S100, the sum of first 100 terms. Okay, so let's substitute the value into the formula. The Sn formula is n upon 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. I have just substituted the value for a as 8 and the value of d as 7, and the n is 100. Okay, on calculating this, okay, I'll get 16 plus 99 into 7, that is 693, I'll add this and multiply with 50, so I will get my final answer as 35,450. Okay, now moving further. Okay, in order to calculate S50, sum of first 50 terms, so 50 divided by 2, that is 2 into 8 plus 50 minus 1 into 7. Okay, now solving this, 1649 into 7 is 343. On calculating this, I get 8975. 8975 is the value for S50. Okay, now they have asked us, okay, sum of all the terms from 50 to 100. Okay, sum of all the terms from 50 to 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract S100 minus S50. So I will get 3540 minus 8975. Okay, on subtracting this, okay, the difference between the two number is 26475, 26,475. Okay, remember they have asked us inclusive. Inclusive means we have to add the 50th term as well. Okay, so the difference between the two, okay, plus A50. Okay, so in order to calculate A50, what I have to do is I have to put the formula. Okay, A plus 49D. Okay, so now in order to place the value, I will substitute 8 plus 49 into 7 is A50. Okay, now on calculating this, I will get 26,826. Okay, okay, here's the third question. The first term of an arithmetic sequence, okay, the first term of the arithmetic sequence is minus 6. Okay, and the sum of the first 30 term, okay, the SN value is given as 2865. We are required to find the ninth term of the series. Okay, so first of all, we know the value for A is minus 6. Okay, what is the formula for SN? SN is n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, why did I written this? Because they have given us S30, the sum of first 30 terms. So S30 is equals to 2865 is equals to 30 upon 2. I'm going to substitute all the values in the formula. 2 into minus 6 plus 29D. Okay, now on solving this, I will get the value for D. Okay, so 2865 when 30 divided by 2, that is 15, minus 12 plus 29D. So moving further, when I divide with 15 this number, I get 191 is equals to minus 12 plus 29D. 191 plus 12 is equals to 29D. 203 divided by 29 is equals to the difference, and the D is equals to 7. Okay, so from solving this equation, we got the value for the difference of D. Now they have asked us to find the ninth term. Okay, so Tn is equals to minus 6 plus 9 minus 1 into 7 minus 6 plus 8 into 7, 26 and 50 is the ninth term of the series. Okay, moving on to the next question. Mario is going to save $50 in the year 2021. He is going to continue to save up to and including the year 2070 by increasing the amount he saves each year by the K. Mario will save total of $33,125 from 21 to 2070. Work out the value for K. Okay. So we know the number of years. The numbers of years are 50 years. Okay. We know the A value 50. Okay. We know the difference is K. Okay. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, in this formula we are going to substitute the values. Okay, so Sn is 33,125 is equals to 50 upon 2 into 50 plus n minus 1, that is 49 into k. 2500 plus 49k and 33125 will divide with 33125 divided by 25. 100 plus 49k. So on dividing the number, I get 1325. 100 will be coming towards the LHS side. 49, that is 325 divided by 49. Sorry. 1225 divided with 49 is equals to value for k, and on dividing this, the value for k is 25. Okay, moving on to the next question. Here are the first four terms of an arithmetic sequence: 85, 79, 73 and 67. Find an expression in terms of n. Okay, in terms of n, the nth term of the sequence. Okay, so the first term we already know. We know that a is 85. Okay, and what is the common difference? The common difference is you have to subtract a2 minus a1. Okay, second term minus first term. So I get 79 minus 85, that is minus 6. Okay, so I got my common difference as well. Okay, now in order to substitute into the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and I will substitute all the values over here. Okay, 85 minus 6n plus 6. Okay, so I get answer as 91 minus 6n. So the answer is 91 minus 6n.